Hey YouTube, I'm back out here with my truck. So, thanks for joining for another video. Today, I got to flush the fluid, coolant out of it. I had a hose clamp break. I'll insert a picture here, where it came apart and yeah, I dumped all my coolant on the side of the road. So I ended up filling the truck with water from a local pond near me, so I could finish my load up and get back home. But now I need to get that all out, clean it out, and get fresh coolant in it. I'm also hoping to get the rear end fluid changed. It's past due to be changed out. So let's get to work. Okay, so what I'm doing is I took the coolant filter off. I'm draining it out. I'm gonna just drain it from here, fill it up on flush. I'm gonna run the truck for about 10-15 minutes, I think is what the instructions said. And then from there, I'll drain it out again and put the coolant in. And I'm also gonna go ahead and, I know a couple videos ago I was showing off these. I'm kind of thinking I might put some hose clamps on it, just in case. I'm tired of having coolant problems, and thinking maybe a hose clamp is better than them, and those are better used for emergencies. I got two there, one there, and then two up there that I think I'm gonna change out. Okay guys, I got all the hose clamps to replace with new hose clamps that weren't already. So I feel a little bit better going down the road. Also, this is where I stole the one when I had to get one from on the road. And the one that broke is that one right there. And that was a pain in the butt to get in on the road. It goes from the water pump to the thermostat housing, and man, it was not fun. It took me like 2 hours to get that in there. Still have a leak here. I can't get that to seal up, and I can't find the part. So if anybody knows where to get the sheet metal and the O-ring for a 404 Jake brake, I'd appreciate some help with that, a part number or something. I can't seem to get any of my guys to find it for me. So I've been dealing with an oil leak. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, it leaks a quart every 2,000 miles, but it's annoying. That's the only leak on the truck. Hopefully the coolant leaks are all done. So now I'm gonna turn, this is a new one, so this still works. I'm just gonna turn that off. I'm gonna lower the cab and top it off with coolant in the flush, and then let it run according to the instructions. So guys, this is the flush that I decided to use. It's made by Rislow. They've been around for a while. I think this stuff is pretty simple. I just wanted something that's not gonna hurt anything. So each bottle does 4 gallons. I think this is 15 to 16 gallon capacity, this system. So I'm gonna put 3 bottles in and let the engine run for a half hour, is what it says for heavy duty cleaning. So I'm gonna put that in and I'll be back. Also, I've been taught that it's very important to use distilled water even when just flushing it. So I'm gonna fill this up and then I'll be back. Well guys, we got it filled up and the truck is running now. While that's going on, I'm gonna remove my back panel so I can get to the rear axle, and we're gonna drain it and refill it with some fresh fluid. It's overdue. So I'm gonna drain as much out of this hole as I can so I can get in a 5-gallon bucket. And then after that's done, I'll remove the bottom plug at the bottom of the axle. Right there. And I'll have to drain it into this. Try not to make a mess because the bucket won't fit under it. But just filling up now. Got Okay guys, so I'm putting this back into the diff. I'm also going to add a gallon of stabilizer. I think what came out of it was royal purple. It kind of had a purple into it. I didn't change the rear end fluid until now. So it's overdue, but it looked good, and I think it was good quality lube in it. So this should mix well with what's in there, and always love that. So I'm just gonna dump it in. I have one of these funnels like that, so it should be easy peasy to do, and I'm just gonna dump it in now. So I filled up the radiator until it was full, and now I'm just running the truck, bringing it up to temperature, make sure the thermostat opens and the system's good. So I'm just gonna run it here until it's up there. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. So guys, I got the thermostat to open up. Coolant level didn't change. It must have bled through. So feel good about that. Nice to have nice fresh coolant in it. I also got the rear end topped off. So as I showed you, you put the funnel in that top hole there and you fill it until it just dribbles out. Once it starts to dribble out, that's where you need it. Put the plug back in and it's good for another 75,000 miles or 100,000 miles. I need to look and see. I can't remember the mileage that the intervals are. So yeah, that's all good. I have a lot of containers. It's amazing how many containers doing this stuff makes. So I am gonna clean that up, and then I got one more thing to fix. And then tomorrow I'm gonna come up here and there's a thermostat switch for the fans, and it's not working right. I think it's wired wrong. I think I messed it up. I think I went to fix it, and I think I screwed it up. So I'm gonna come out tomorrow and work on that. But that's gonna be it for this video. I know it's kind of just a jump around maintenance type video, but some of you guys like to see them, so I thought I'd put it out there. I'll catch you next time. I got another day of maintenance tomorrow, so hopefully I'll get another video out tomorrow afternoon. And I'll catch you next time. Thanks.